My TA03 Tamiya little electric car racer and my progress on upgrading the car's super sloppy front suspension and super sloppy steering assembly using SolidWorks and my 3D printer, XYZ printer, printing stuff out in carbon fiber reinforced plastic. So here's one of the pieces from the steering assembly that I made in SolidWorks. Took my time to put some nice radiuses on there, and I decided to put a little brass bushing on the top and on the bottom. And the brass bushings that I decided to use are the ones that you normally find in the belt tensioner. So that's an 8mm brass, 8mm by 2mm brass bushing with a little brass post. And this is what the part looks like, guys. This is what came out of the printer. And when I decided to try to put it together and just fit that little brass bushing, it fit in there perfectly. It was just such a beautiful fitment. Let's see if I can do this with one hand, just to demonstrate how smooth it is. And the crazy thing, guys, is that I tried over tightening this just to see if I could bind it up, and it doesn't bind up. It just remains consistent in the way it moves. It's an awesome fit, guys. I'm super stoked. Once again, guys, just wanted to shoot a quick little update video of the progress and the work that I did tonight. Get my camera to focus here. So I'm going to ask you guys if you could please like and subscribe if you liked what you saw in this video, and I really would appreciate it. It helps me out. Once again, have a good night, and thank you, guys.